Okay, gentlemen, this is my second ice bucket. Hopefully it's my last one. I'm going to take 3 shots now. My kiddies are going to dunk me, and then my wife, and then I'll finish it. So these 3 shots goes for Costa for winning. Thorn for coming second. And Diego, for you, my boy. Hold on, before I go on, Ava, you're going to be first.
Yeah.
Why?
Over Daddy Z. Okay. Take your hand away.
Okay. Go. She's a wait. I forgot to eat him.
Eat him.